Hello, we pumped a lot today, both Bitcoin and alts, and some people are excited. They're wondering, does this pump still have momentum? And the answer is yes, because I did a video a couple of days ago, if some of you remember, that Binance had $31 billion in stablecoins on tap deposited by users. Now, these might actually be big investors. I don't know if they're full retail, but there's some retail in there, obviously. But these are big investors. And it does seem like they flexed the $31 billion they had in stablecoins. Now, they haven't flexed all of it. That's the good part, because there's still some of it is left. And actually, most of it is still left. And they did seem to flex enough to liquidate the shorts up to about 116,000. Right now, it does seem like they are waiting for those shorts to actually build. And yes, James Nguyen, I think, did get destroyed again. But, he always gets destroyed, so that's not really anything unusual. But they did flex enough of that particular money on the $31 billion, to actually liquidate all the shorts all the way up to 116K. But I think they're taking a bit of a break now, because if you look at the CoinGlass shorts and longs liquidation chart, they're kind of out of shorts to liquidate. And right now, the only ones that liquidate are longs. And it does not seem like they are going in that manner right now. So there is a chance that we drop back down to about 110, 109. But it depends on what Asia does tonight when they actually wake up. If Asia repumps, we could easily be at 120. And yes, there is a wall at 120 tomorrow morning. So if I wake up and we're at 120 or above, then the pump is not over. But if we're still at 116, 115, that might be the price we fluctuate right now before we go down to 108, 109. And then we'll slowly go sideways up for the next couple of months, as I've actually been expecting. Last time we went from 108 to about 112. This time we're going from about 112 to 116, 117. So looking for that blow off top, but it may not come for another 2 to 3 months. I do believe it eventually will come. It's just really the timing of it. But if Asia decides to pump it even more, then it could definitely go on for a couple more days, and we could actually get somewhat of a bull run. Ethereum is another coin to look at. A lot of people believe that $3,000 is a psychological barrier for Ethereum. We are very, very close to that now, already slightly above it. Right now, I'm seeing on Live Coin Watch, it's 2,960. And I think if we solidly go above 3K, altcoins have more to run. Now, I do think altcoins are going to closely follow Bitcoin. As always, I don't believe that you should long altcoins while shorting Bitcoin. And there is a wall at 120. If Bitcoin hits the wall at 120 and then retraces, obviously, then altcoins are obviously going to retrace with Bitcoin at that point. But let's see if Ethereum can break this 3,000 barrier, because outside of Bitcoin going up to 120 or so, I think this is the most important barrier for the altcoins. And of course, the ones that are going to benefit the most are the meme coin L1s and the memes themselves. You can see that Sui is up over 10%. But if you look deeper at the meme coins, Bonk is in the top 50 again. It's up 15%. You look at some of the others. Fartcoin is up 19%. Some of the virtual protocols, they're going to go up as well. So you might actually want to look at that. Floki's up 11, WIF's up 11. So you can tell the big standouts for a lot of the part are the L1 networks and also the meme coins as well. So meme coins, if you're on the utility mantra, I would definitely tell you to look at the meme mantra, because meme coins, I think, are going to perform better than utility coins over the course of this particular bull run. Because realistically, utility coins, outside of paying the gas fees for their own chain, don't actually have any utility. They've been trying to sell this to us for a long time, but it's been 7 or 8 years since I've been in the industry, and they have made zero progress in terms of actual utility outside of building their own financial system on their own chains. And that's why the L1s that actually have built their DeFi systems and their meme coin systems will benefit a lot. The rest of the L1s probably will not go up as much as the meme coins, because remember, crypto is split into two markets: the ETFs, the long-term buyers, and the short-term gamblers, which I think are actually the majority of the market. And the short-term buyers / gamblers see that it's easier to make money with meme coins than it is to actually make money with the so-called utility coins, and base it on news pumps, because I think people have grown kind of immune to the news pumps. And so, yeah, I would definitely like, if you're one of those short-term investors or gamblers or whatever you like to call yourself, I would definitely look at the meme market as well, because I think that's going to treat you very well. If you believe this is a bull run, I would definitely watch to see if we pump when Asia actually wakes up and starts to take notice. If they start to pump, this pump may last for a couple of days. If they don't start to pump, it might fizzle up and die very, very quickly. And we might just stall at 115, 116. If you have a 2 or 3x long on Bitcoin, like, I've been telling people to buy to long Bitcoin at 104, 105 for a couple of weeks now. If you have a 3x long from Bitcoin at 105, it might actually be time to take some profits, because that's like 30% profit. And if we go back down to like 109, 110, that's another good time to take a long at 2x on Bitcoin on that. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. It is because of the Binance $31 billion that we're going up. And there's more liquidity where that Binance $31 billion comes from. They haven't run dry, so they could buy it up even more. So please subscribe, like, and drop a comment, and let me know what you think about this run. And I will see you guys in the next video.